Wow, this is so nice. Hey, back. Hey, back.
Beck needs some more water.
Yeah, he's all red. Nấu hay như sợ cần cá lan nấu ăn xiên dầu mấy nè.
Sap ho. Mizo ho.
Cái pha pain sap ho mizo ho at dito. Iching may bite. Say kaching lutok.
Oh.
Danny. Hi baby, come here.
Do you want to put your shoes on? You want to put your shoes on? Let's put your shoes on.
Where's
Come on.
Danny going?
Let's put shoes on. Please, 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 let's put shoes on.
Danny, Papa saying hello.
Muley needs to go pee pee.
Okay, you want me to... Careful with that baby there. Hey, maybe I should move her.
Hi, Daphne.
Beck wants to go for a walk.
Hi, honey.
Oh, you want to go for a walk?
Family.
Yeah.
We're at the park right now.
Oh, Addie,
Oh, you're good.
very good.
Let him figure it out.
Hey, back.
He knows I'm here, so that's why he's crying. When I was up there, he climbed all the way up there.
Okay, go back.
Đã rồi đi lệ ta. Văn lung lẻng thạc em. Hi there. Xin nó sẽ họ lúc tụi hay cần nấu chị. Càng con. Addie, you got more flowers? Beautiful fountain. Where are you, Mila? Không nghe Mila hi ô. Không nghe Mila hi ô. It got thorn. It's gonna prick you, Mila. You gotta come out. You gotta come out, baby. Hi, Dean.
Oh, I love it.
You love it?
Yeah.
Come here, Baxter. Stand up. Oh.
Baby, where are you?
Oh, look at that.
Oh, oh. nuam.an can Tute
Let me take
Mila-
a picture.
Oh, you guys are
Do
so
a sweet
cute.
picture. Do a sweet pose.
No, don't,
Mila,
don't,
not. Why are you?
not in front of Danny. Oh.
Do a sweet pose,
Okay,
Mila.
take a good one. Send it to me.
Okay, Mila, not with the eye. The eyes though.
No, just a normal smile. Pose and a normal smile.
Look at Emmy. How about Addie?
You don't want to go.
Hey, Mila, what are you going to do?
I'm going to climb a hill.
Okay.
How do you want?
Okay, Mila, lung helai lunga hian kal chho don ni. Rock climbing anei don ni eh. All right. Kal chho zel. Kal chho zel, kal chho zel. Wow. Wow, wow. Okay. Both arms up. Say Emmy. Emmy say Kamangay che. Oh, Felutok. I love you too. Oh, okay, you come down now. Danny, you want to go up there?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Danny's turn.
Yeah.
Yeah, back. Say yeah.
Daddy, but I
Oh.
can't jump.
Okay, you're gonna go up.
But how do you get up?
No, that's okay. Let him do it by himself. Okay, baby?
Mama.
Mila.
Mila, be nice to him. He's trying to help.
Hey, kan chhungin Parkah kan kalani hi. Ka fanu fa home school kal ho te chon local ve thei lawa. Salai so Frederick Chhungkuain ya an motor pon kal zut mai helai park bula hian
Back, come on.
amero chuan hung na thata kan siama no pangtan pon va kal chwa thei mai lawan ya hey oh Addie, are you gonna go back? Okay.
But he's here. God.
Danny, you wanna go back in?
Yeah.
Okay. Look at that cute doggy back. That's my grandson. Yeah. Come here back. Come here, baby. Look at that cute doggy.
What is he, about 2 or 3?
He's going to be 2 years old. Yeah, they're twins, and they have.
How young?
Yeah, they're twins, and then they have another twin sisters, the baby down there. We have double twins.
2 twins.
2 twins. They're not identical. They're not identical, but they're 2 twins.
Is that his brother?
No, that's my daughter's son, and these are my son. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. And
love
that
to see
cute doggy. I know.
You know, they're so
This place is so beautiful, so nice. Yeah. Mila, lokoro, heta, bolron, Pedro, le, pite, heta. Helama, okay. You can't have all the ball by yourself. Come on. Yeah. Back. Oh, no. Pite, that's yucky. Mila, you gonna share the ball with Danny?
No.
Hey, Frederick, amphitheater and tia outside venue venia hey concert tele thil engamo an neya an man ve na ber thina ni china karon soitak angkhan helai hianin 4th of July celebration 10 nei thina ka fa te po nge ni 4th of July 10 an perform ve thina ni lunglen tha khop mai ka fa te tam takhi ka fa te su nu an te lai le high school le middle school la kal lai kan ni kwar tin deuh tho kan kal ve na nya kan kal khat le te deu mai ro chu tun chon hei kan tu te kan shwai ve le thei ta ni kan fa ten an fa ten ron shwai ve le na nan manga an en kol thai na moi khop maya chuwang chuanin helai hi park nuam takani engtik lai pon an local theya mi du le picnicin kan local theya Chhungkuain enge ni hiking te pon akal theya alai taka hianin luya luanga na solai asonin an cheimoi em ani anuam ve khop mai abekin no pangtan hey ui kai te la hin tam em maya okay, what are we doing here?
Zoe fast. 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 Zoe fast.
Oh, Hannah. It's fast enough. That's good, right?
Hey,
If you wanted to go
Bekanya,
faster,
Den,
just
Anya,
put your head down and
Addy,
you'll feel like you're going faster.
Mila,
If you look at
Den,
your feet.
Addy, Mila,
Yeah, you
Bek,
look at your feet, it
Tuten,
makes you feel
hi.
But also you might get sick.
Yeah, Danny said please stop.
Oh,
You really need sunscreen.
yeah, Beck
Has the, he has the,
Beck is so white.
he's so white, he's so red right now.
Avar lu tu kalom bite.
He's been drinking water. He's just like me.
He just
He
turns
gets so
into a
red.
strawberry.
Kan now Beck te ni saray lo te pa ompon.
Okay, just wait. Let Beck get on. Mila, stop it. Stop.
Avar lu tu ka.
Oh, God.
Oh,
I'm gonna be
Oh, did you get on that camera?
yeah. Okay, hold on tight, Beck. Hold on tight.
Yeah, there's space for you, Riley.
yeah.
You can go
Well,
on.
I was
can
just
come
trying
on.
to stop it with my head. Here, wait.
Oh,
Oh, he's done.
oh no, he.
You gotta sit up. You gotta hang on.
Lai no pang te lo.
Sit up and hang on tight.
Hang on tight.
Hang on tight.
She's okay.
Hold on.
Oh, he's
Fine. She's fine. Then you gotta wait your turn.
No, he can squeeze with tight. He can squeeze with tight. Yeah.
Okay.
Don't touch it.
Make sure you don't hit.
Back, hang on. He's sucking his thumb. He's not. Get with it.
Oh, kan nau te te hin cute tanya. Hey.
What? You need some
Look at
help?
Emmy.
Yeah.
Look at Emmy. Look at Grandma.
Picture of her.
I'm taking your pictures. Oh, you're coughing.
Okay, ready? Do a sweet smile. Just wait.
Oh.
Wait, can she smile?
Oh, Beck.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, you are way up. Bite.
I know to sit down.
Yeah, careful, okay? Don't want you to fall down. You're gonna. Oh, film ko ro bite. Yeah, be very careful. Be very careful.
I'm gonna be so careful. I won't fall down. I
No, you can't go down like that. You need to come back down here. Do you want me to hold you?